Welcome to this VPN tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through setting up Stark VPN Reloaded with UDP settings for a fast and secure internet connection. Stark VPN Reloaded is a free VPN proxy that's easy to install and use. For more detailed VPN tutorials, follow my blog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel for more content. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Stark VPN Reloaded. When the search results appear, select Stark VPN Reloaded and tap Install. The download and installation process should only take a few minutes. Step 2. Once installed, launch Stark VPN Reloaded. You will be greeted by the home screen of the VPN application. We are now ready to proceed with the setup. Step 3. Before proceeding, we need a UDP server. If you don't have one, let's get one first. Open any web browser and navigate to the UDP custom website. Step 4. Once on the homepage of the UDP custom website, click on the menu button located on the right to reveal the submenus. Step 5. From the submenus, click on UDP Premium or 30 Days UDP Premium Server, then select UDP Custom 30 Days Server to start the server creation process. Step 6. You will be redirected to an account form page. Enter a username and password, then click on Create to generate your server. This process will only take a few seconds. Step 7. Now that we have our server, let's use it on Stark VPN for a secure and fast browsing experience. Return to the Stark VPN home screen. Step 8. On the home screen, click on Settings to reveal more options. Next, select Custom Settings to proceed with the configuration. Step 9. Click on the hamburger icon on the left and then on Custom Settings. Here, enter the details of the UDP server you created. Fill in the IP address, username, and password in the respective fields. Once done, click OK to save the settings. Step 10. Return to the home screen and click on the Connect button. Your VPN connection will now start, providing you with a fast and secure internet connection. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more detailed VPN tutorials, follow my blog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel for more content. Stay secure and enjoy your fast internet connection.